how to make a shoe cast, a shoe print, and a tire impression. Now these three things are very crucial in crime scenes that happen all around the world. Now me and my comrades will be showing you how to make them. But first I'll be telling you a few things about how important they are in a crime scene. Now we'll be talking about how crucial tire prints are in a crime scene. Some things that forensic scientists and analysts can see of the tire prints left on a crime scene are the model and the patterns of the tire prints that were left. Now I'll be talking about how important shoe prints are in a crime scene. Now when somebody walks in a crime scene or is around a crime scene, when it happens, their shoes will leave a print on the floor. Now some things that you can get off of that print are the gender of that person, how tall they are, and the shoe size of that print. Now I'll be letting my fellow classmates show you how they made the print, and they'll go more in depth with details on how those prints impact during a crime scene.
My name is Eustache, and I will be talking about tire track evidence and how to collect a tire impression. Tire impressions reflect the thread and designs and measurements of individual tires on a vehicle. Tire tracks show relational dimensions between two or more tires. Tire width, wheelbase, and turning radius. Tire track evidence and tire construction. Tires are composed of liner, sidewall rubber, belts, beads, and shred rubber. So in order to collect a tire impression, you must use some kind of Vaseline, or in my case, I used shoe polish, and you will need paper. Here is where I will be applying the shoe scuff. Right now, this is where I used the shoe polish to coat the tire, and now I will start the car. At this point, this is where I laid down my paper on the driveway, and I started the car and rolled on the white paper to create the impression. Like footwear impressions, much of what is learned from the tire impressions is class evidence, such as make and model of tire, size, manufacture date and location, and thread pattern. Tire prints and impressions can also be individualized by wear pattern, damage like cuts or tears, rocks or pebbles lodged in the thread.
Hi, my name is Gemmicia Felix, and today I will be demonstrating how to make a shoe print cast using clay. Materials you will need is a shoe, clay, and a bowl. The first one to do is make sure you put on your gloves. And now we will be doing the fun part, which is making the shoe print cast. So first, what you want to do is make sure you get your Play-Doh or your clay. Then you will get your clay and roll it out and make sure it's flat as possible. So now you'll take your shoe, rest it on the clay and hold it to make the impression. What you want to do is take another piece of clay and roll it out for your wall. So now you add your shoe print cast into your bowl. Now you have your wall around your shoe print cast. It should look like this. So what you want to do now is take your plaster. And now what you would want to do is have it sit for 24 hours, and then you'll have your final shoe cast impression.
Good day, my name is Garnette, and I'll be showing you how to do shoe prints. I'll be doing mine today in dirt, but forensic use crystal violet to on surfaces so it can be apparent so you can see it. Today I'm going to show you in dirt, and then crystal violet makes all of this apparent so you can see all the logo and stuff, and after they're done, they use a scale to determine the size, and then they take very good pictures and detail to it, and they look at the logo and go from there.